I don't know what the four humors are. Like this is related to something physical, biology or something. The role of the four humors. Blood we know what the blood is. Red blood cells, white blood cells, plasma, like this, platelets or proteins or antigens, like these things. Phlegm, oh my god. Guys, we are going to the Google for this. I'm not sure what this is. I already searched it. Don't get me wrong. I already searched it some time, but I just don't know what this is. I always forget it. So I think it's body fluid. Looking from the diagram, like what we can see it. A more than normal amount of thick mucus made by the cells lining the upper airways and lungs. Okay. So this is the mucus that is produced by the mucous membranes. Like normally our mucous membranes are present in the lungs and the nose and the not the throats, but because throat don't have that mucus. So yeah, mouth we have that. So also mucus is present in our intestine as well, like mucosal layer, it is lining it. But here they just talked about the upper airways and lungs. Again, it's related to the miasma, right? Miasma and these four humors were acting on the same time. Like people were making these theories about these diseases, like so of course they existed at the same time. So blood we know, so like it's because of the body fluids, like it's involved in it. Now we know, like in plasmodium, no, not plasmodium, in malaria, blood is involved because of the transmission by the mosquito. Phlegm is involved, just look at the corona, right? It gets into our droplets from the mucous membrane, of course, and then we throw it out. So yeah, it's like this: yellow bile, choler, black bile, melancholy. So of course we are going to go to. I thought yellow bile was, the bile that was secreted by the gallbladder, but it's just bile, not yellow bile. Okay, I wasn't wrong. It's a digestive fluid produced by liver. But wait, what's its relation to the vomiting? Yellow bile can occur due to a number of possible reasons, including empty stomach, stomach irritation, and intestinal blockage. Wait, what? No, like why is it related to the microorganisms in the ancient times? Yellow bile in four humor. Let me search this. Our bodily fluids thought to be impact humans' temperament, personalities, and health were blood, flame, and black bile, yellow bile. Each humor were associated with one of the qualities of the matter. Yellow bile with the heat, blood with the dryness, flame with moisture, and black bile with cold. What? Blood with dryness? Like, guys, I'm not getting it. Okay, I get it, the flame with moisture, right? If you have more moisture, so your membrane would be okay. Yellow bile with heat? Okay, does this mean because yellow bile digests the carbohydrates or whatever? Does yellow bile digest the carbohydrates? Wait, I think yellow bile digest carbohydrates or fats or proteins. I completely forgot. Helps break down the fats in the food. Okay, fats. Sorry for wrong information. Yellow bile with heat. So is it because that yellow bile digests the fats that it produces heat, or is it because they digest fat and fat is accumulated in our body, and then when we do exercise we have fats and we release heat? Is it related to that? And blood with dryness, guys, what is a blood relation with the blood relation? What is blood relation with dryness? Exactly. But not blood flow at the resting state is associated with the dry skin. All right. Guys, we get it now. That blood relation with the dryness is in this way, that blood has the air, right, and the minerals and everything. When the blood reaches, circulate in our body, the extra moisture is released out of our body. But when we don't have the blood vessel, we don't have good blood circulation in our skin, so our skin can get patchy and dry. And but what is black bile then? And they are saying that it is related to the, what do you call it, coldness. So where is it? Fluid that was once thought to be one of the four humors. Wait, is a fluid that was once, no, I know that. What is black bile? Spleen. Melancholy and depression were also blamed on the spleen. With the overproduction of the black bile, a person may have appeared cold and dry, sad in disposition, and all doubtful of the world. Like, if black bile was thought to originate from the spleen, I can understand why will they relate it to the depression. Okay, so they are not trying to say that this cold is related to the coldness of the body, like it's not related to the temperature. This is related to the personality, like cold personality. But if it's originating from the spleen, spleen is the organ that is related to immune system directly, and spleen is the place where our blood is filtered. It doesn't work like kidney just take controls the nutrients in the blood, but spleen controls the, like, microorganisms, outer, foreign particles, and kind of these things. Because it is related to immune system, it helps in protecting the blood from the harmful substances. But are they saying that this black bile, when it isn't isn't related from the, not related, if it isn't released from the spleen, so their body isn't well protected, and when your body isn't in healthy shape, so of course your personality starts to change. Are they trying to say this? Am I right? Alright, we are not going to dive deeper in this. We are going further from this. So the role of the four humors: blood, flame, yellow bile, choler, black bile, melancholy, in the disease had been widely accepted since the time of the Greek physicians Galen. 129 and 190. Guys, I told you that this is just so ancient, just the same as miasma. But I think miasma was supposed to be believed very much before than this. Where is it? Yeah, four humors. So why are the four humors accepted in the disease related studies? It's because we all know that our physiology affects the diseases. It definitely affects. Like, if corona infects one person, and in the same species, the same strain infects the other person, of course, if the person immune system is strong, the one person is going to survive, and the person that doesn't have immune system strength, they are going to get infected. And of course the blood plays role in that. I'll tell you, blood plays role in that, because it does have WBCs. And the flame, just as we said that, mucosal, these are the fluid that is released by the cells in the mucosal membranes. And I'll tell you that mucosa has so many macrophages in it, you won't believe it. They have high amount of macrophages in them. And yellow bile, it's related to food. Like, if you don't have energy storing system, what are you going to do then again? So this affects your physiology, and so of course the disease attacking probability or things. Black bile, of course, spleen is the biggest organ in the immune system, or the only organ involved in the immune system. Okay, so they were accepted that much early, 129 and 199.